Does online payment in English confuse or scare you? In this video, you'll learn simple English to handle payments and problems confidently.
Shopping English for Online Payments, Episode 13, Part 2.
Let's start with the most stressful situation, making an online payment.
Scenario Module 1, Making Payments Online, Core Lesson.
Common learner problem.
Many learners say, "Pay now? Money gone." Unclear and confusing.
Correct and natural payment English. Use these simple and safe phrases. 1. I'd like to make a payment. 2. Can I pay by card? 3. Is cash on delivery available? 4. The payment was successful. 5. My payment failed.
Model examples. I'd like to make a payment. Can I pay by card? My payment failed.
Notice the verbs pay, make a payment, was, failed. Clear verbs, clear English.
Say this out loud. I'd like to make a payment. My payment failed.
Now let's handle something very common, payment errors and problems.
Scenario Module 2, Payment Errors and Online Help.
Common learner mistake.
Learners often say, money gone, problem payment, too short, not helpful.
Correct and polite problem English. Use these phrases instead. 1. My payment did not go through. 2. The transaction failed. 3. I was charged twice. 4. I need help with my payment. 5. Could you please check this?
Model examples. My payment did not go through. I was charged twice. Could you please check this?
Notice the polite structure. X. Fix this. Y. Could you please check this? Polite English gets faster help.
Repeat. My payment did not go through. I need help with my payment.
Let's review the most important phrases from Part 2. I'd like to make a payment. My payment failed. I was charged twice. Could you please check this?
Say any two out loud now.
Answer out loud. 1. Your payment failed. What do you say? 2. You need help from customer support. What do you say?
Pause. Speak clearly.
Well done. You just handled online payment English confidently. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Next part, Episode 13, Part 3, Tracking Orders, Refunds, and Final Practice.